All right, welcome back. This is a day two um, of on my little experiment. So, what happened? This is my new field, and I seeded it with a brand new grass seed. As you can see, one half is open free, and second half is actually covered by this plastic canvas. And it's a little experiment of mine to just see which one is gonna help to grow grass faster. So this one actually was on the sun almost all day, and I can see that the level of moisture is quite low. Whereas this one is still nice and moistured. So I think this is gonna be more effective way how to actually speed up this process and to see some little tiny greens coming up very soon. So this is the day one, actually day two, and there is no much to report, but except the moisture. Anyway, keep tuned and see you tomorrow. Bye.